Here's the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. Okay, you can use an Android phone like I'm using here, a Samsung Galaxy S10, or you can use an iPhone. First thing is turn the watch on. You got the power button here. Press and hold the button till it turns on. Next thing is go to your App Store, and then what you want to do is search for Galaxy Wearable App. Okay, and this is what the icon looks here. It's purple and it says Wear right there. So go ahead and download and install it. Take note, when I download and install it on my Samsung phone here, it automatically defaults into my Samsung folder right here. So if I tap on right there, I can see my Galaxy Wearable App right here. So let me tap on that right there. Now I already have a Watch 5 Pro as well, but I'm going to go ahead and connect this Watch 5. This is not the Watch 5 Pro. But let me go, there's the 3 lines here, horizontal lines. Let me tap on that, and let me tap on add a new device right there. And then I'm going to tap on Galaxy Watch 5 down here. Let's tap on that right there. Now we should get like some kind of code. So just be patient. Oh, there it is. My watch is also vibrating as well. I'm going to tap on confirm down here. For your review, now these are optional. You may want to go ahead and read through that. For me, I'm fine with both of them on there. I'm going to tap on continue. Terms of service, go ahead and read through this, and these are also optional as well, okay, but I'm fine with having both of them selected, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on I agree. Getting your watch ready. This may take a few minutes. Sign into your Google account. I have my Gmail address already in here, or I can go ahead and choose another account, or you can go ahead and skip, and you can do this later if you wish, okay? But my email address is already in there, my Gmail. I'm going to go ahead and tap down here where it says continue. Asking me to verify my identity. I'll use my fingerprint here. Checking for Google Play, select apps for your watch, okay? You can do all this now, or you can go ahead and skip it and you can download the apps that you need or whatnot, or you can just like look through it. Like, let's see here. So I don't need Spotify. I don't have that. Let me click down here. And then again, you can do this later, or I mean, you can do it now. It doesn't matter. And I think the only one I use out of here is Strava here for my running and cycling. I'm going to tap on continue. Keep your data safe. You don't have any backups yet. Automatically back up this watch to the Samsung Cloud to keep your data safe and up to date. Okay, that's optional, okay, but I'm fine with uploading all my data to the cloud. I'm going to tap on next. Finishing up. This may take a few minutes. Okay, it says you're all set now. So we're done with the app. Now it says starting here. Now be patient here. You got to wait 10 or 15 seconds, and then you can do a quick tutorial. And you can do this yourself, or I'll do it really quickly. Take a tour of your watch. Okay, I'm going to tap on start here. Swipe down from the top to open up the quick panel. Okay, so from the top, you swipe down, and then this is your quick panel here. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. Back to the watch face. For apps, swipe from the bottom edge for apps, and then there's your apps. Swipe down to go back to the watch face. Back to the watch face. For notifications, swipe to the right. Now it says tap to open this notification, so tap it, and then you can read your notification. Swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous screen, so from swipe to the right. Tap to open this notification. Oops, now it says swipe left to go back to the watch face, so I'm going to swipe left now. Swipe for tiles. For tiles, swipe left, so I'm going to swipe left for tiles. And then our home button is here, okay? Tap on the home button to go back to the watch face from any screen, okay? So this is, you'll be using this button most of the time. Just tap on that right there. It says that's it. And voila. And also, don't forget, but you have the bezel here. You can you can see right there. Anyway, I think you guys got the message. Any questions or issues, just comment below and I'll try to help you out. All right.